Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I know I haven't posted on here in like 8 months or like a year or something crazy, but it's just, I'm gonna get personal with you guys. Honestly, I just like overthink things and then I just don't record anything and I don't post, but I have like a way for me to get out of that block because it's not even a creative block. Like I literally have so many notebooks and so many notes in which I have ideas written. I just like over plan to the point where I never execute. Right now I'm just gonna like do my makeup and I'm just gonna talk to you while I do that, and that's what this video is gonna be. I already washed my face. I'm gonna use the Bobbi Brown Vitamin Enriched Face Base. And that's on. Now I'm gonna do some primer. I've been using the e.l.f. Acne Fighting Putty Primer because it's green and it actually helps me like blot some of this out. This little scooper, I love it. It's green. Alright, put my primer on. I need to focus on my face. This Huda Beauty Overachiever Concealer and Cookie Dough is so good. I'm gonna put it like right here so you can see because my under eyes are like crazy. You see how much of a difference that made? Like literally I only had primer on underneath my skin. I didn't even have like foundation on. Get some more right here. And now let's cover that up. The Nars Soft Matte Complete Foundation. Trust the process. Trust the process, okay? Yeah, I should just do more concealer because like it's almost where I want it to be. Pro tip that I found out, the thicker the concealer, the higher the coverage, and this concealer is very thick. I freaking love this concealer. It's the only concealer that I have ever purchased that actually does the job. And it stays. It literally stays. Girls watching this, if you have any makeup tips, let me know. This is just what I do, and I feel like there's no rules to makeup. It's just whatever works for your skin type, etc, etc, and like the look you want to go for. But like, just, you know, I love any new information. It's because I'm a Gemini moon. You know what? At this point, that's as good as my under eyes are gonna get. And now I'm gonna go in with this Charlotte Tilbury. I'm gonna set it. I use the Laura Mercier translucent setting powder. Slay. It looks pale, like my whole face looks really pale, but like I said, trust the process. Just like go in my hair and wipe out the product. And my brows too. A bit off of my nose ring. Cool, now I'm gonna do some blush. I literally do like 3 different blushes on top of each other because I am a whore for blush. I love blush. Yeah, blush is life. Okay, so first one I'm gonna use for the base is this one. It's called Diffused Heat by Hourglass. See how this one's real light? That's why it's going first. Just to create like a natural blush first. Yeah, and then also like just to match. The goal is to just make this look natural. We're not supposed to OD this. Now I'm gonna use the by Mario. This one is called Desert Rose. It looks really good on my skin tone. Okay, it's like pretty strong, which I love. The next one that I'm gonna use is the Orgasm by Nars. Ooh, I can see the shimmer. Okay, and then the last one that I use the Dior one last. Okay, that's good. And blush is good to go. Now let's do some highlight. I don't put it on the entire bridge of my nose, just like up until like right there. I put a little bit right here, like just where the light naturally hits on this like bone right there. Just boom. Just like you can follow it, you feel it, and it's like boop. Cupid's bow. Put it on my Cupid's bow. I put very little, like just like that much. On the tip of my nose, I prefer pink rather than highlight. I want it to be shiny. Take this and put it on my eye. This palette is amazing. I used this one for the eyes. It's really nice. See that? Immediately you can visually see the brown. And boom. And then maybe I'll put in a little bit like for contour. And the shade of brown is like the perfect toasty summer burnt brown. And then this blush is actually really good. I'm gonna put some on. Can't help it. It's real pigmented though. Whenever I do my makeup, I just never feel like it's done. But let's go in with this eyeliner. Well, actually, I'll just put on some mascara today. I'm gonna use the Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara. Do you see the difference? Ooh, okay. Yeah, Mario's products are lit. He slays. I have two of his palettes too. I just do that so they stay in place. And like, it's like hairspray for the brows. Like, I literally used to not do my brows at all, but like, this is what I've been doing lately. Just getting them done. And then just brushing them, filling like 1 or 2 hairs. And then brow gelling it. Okay, so now lips. I'm gonna use this Cocoa Butter Vaseline Lip Therapy. Let me just like wipe them first. Now that I put the Vaseline on, I'm gonna put some foundation around. I'm gonna use the Foxy Brown Charlotte Tilbury lip liner. Gonna go under here. I'm gonna make this part a little bit more pronounced, like overlined. And the Cupid's bow, I'm gonna overline a little. And then I'm gonna connect it, and when I connect it, I'm not gonna overline. And then also take my Makeup by Mario palette. This is the by Mario Master Mattes palette. I'm gonna get one of these. Put it in the brown powder on this one. Get it on like a line, and you just like go over your lip line. I'm gonna put some concealer on this really little brush and just clean it up. So I think that's pretty good. Oh, I gotta do my under eyes. They're creasing. No. I'm gonna get a fluffy brush. I use this one. I have the Fit Me 20 Light Medium. Get it on all the bristles like evenly. Push it in there with this, like that, like literally like, not like this, like this. And then you go like that to remove and smooth. Alright, boom, we're gonna press it in literally like you see the angle that the brush is at. And then sweep, 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 sweep. Alright, that's great. The creases are gone. It's magic. The 225 Tempting Coffee Cream CoverGirl. I just really love this shade because it's like difficult for me to find shades of lipsticks that I actually like. But this shade, I love it. I fucking love this color. Oh. Okay. I'm gonna put some lip gloss. This lip gloss is ultra shiny. This is the Charlotte Tilbury Sweet Stiletto Gloss. I love the pigment on this. It's just super, like, you see how it's like pink as hell. You know, I think my face is done. Like, a bitch looks good. I don't think it's gonna get any better than this. Damn. I like can't stop looking at the mirror, bitch. Okay. When you haven't gotten ready and like done your makeup in forever and you're like, I forgot I look good. I forgot I was pretty. Look, I'm a girl. Y'all know that TikTok or no? What time is it? Well, that was my makeup tutorial slash chit chat. All the products are linked in the description if you want to use any of them mentioned to achieve this look. I will be posting more. So I'm gonna go now, and it was really nice talking to you guys, like genuinely. Bye!